I'm Jamie Albert from Albert Group Pools and Patios, and today we just got started on a patio project here in Washingtonville, New York. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we just excavated out here and we're getting ready to install the base material. We use item 4 as a base. It's always known as road base. Some areas of the country call it something different, C, Q, P, diff. Everybody's got a different name for it. We're gonna first compact the base, put the item 4 in, and then we're ready for our sand layer and then our pavers. Okay, so now we are compacting this patio. You'll see that this red machine is quite a bit bigger than most compactors, and that's because we want it to be. We need to get this ground compacted, because if we don't, the patio is not going to last that long. Now that we have the base in and compacted, it's time to install the sand. The sand is basically a bedding layer that the pavers sit on. First, we use these pipes, adjusting the pitch just right so we can run water off the patio in the end. And then you'll see we have a screed board. We can use wood or we can use these metal screeds. Either one works. One's not better than the other. I just kind of like having dedicated screed board, and that's how we do it. Next step is going to be laying down the pavers. We use a very simple mason string here. We can get an exact measurement, so later on we can install the soldier course perfectly. There's no need for us to perform extra cuts if we don't have to. Now that the patio is in and the soldier course has been done, it's time to do our concrete edge. We prefer concrete edge. Honestly, I won't use the metal edge even if you ask me to, or the plastic edge. I don't think it works well. I'm the one who has to ultimately warranty it. So I stand behind what I do, and I know concrete's the right thing. All right, so we're finishing up this job here today. We started it this morning. We're doing the finishing touches on it right now. As you can see, Darwin is putting in the last of the soldier course. The soldier course is Techo block, Hera in chocolate color, and then the field, or the inside of the patio, is Techo block Blue 60 in blue BLU. It's not the color, it's just their model. Blue 60 in chestnut brown. After we're done with this soldier course, we're going to blow off the patio and then install the polymeric sand. Polymeric or poly sand is a special sand. It's multiple parts that once water is added, it almost becomes like a polymer version of a concrete inside the joints. No weeds are going to grow up because there's no dirt under this, right? It's all stone, and you saw what was under. But it stops weed seeds landing on the top and then trying to grow down into it. Nothing's going to stop it 100%. You should still keep it clean. So if you got any dust or dirt on it, if you blew it off once a week, you'd have really no problems ever. It's a maintenance-free patio, nothing to do. Okay, so this is it. We're installing the sand, and then this patio is done.
If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to see videos of our latest project, please click or tap over here. If you'd like to see a video where our clients are talking about their experience working with us, please click or tap up here. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.